These people are deployed in the city because of crime. Crime is too much here in Joburg town. So the crime has been reduced because of them, and they are very committed to their work, to their job. What they are doing in town, it's very good. People are feeling safe. People are feeling safe there in town because these people, when these criminals see them, they just run away from the hotspot where they are making crime.
Ngibona amapanyaza a-right, a-reduce i-crime. Then, yeah, because you feel safe even noma like imasebenza, even like noma bekhona, I understand. So lokho akushilo uyazi nathi sizathu ashilo, but for mina ukuthi at least upanyaza lisuvi mengaba deployer abayenzi maybe bama traffic, understand, bafaka kwezinye indawo, yeah, singajabula kakhulu.
You feel safer because there's a lot of crime wardens walking around the CBD, so the crime rate goes down. But if you dissolve the crime wardens, then the crime rate in the CBD is just going to increase. Because you have crime wardens walking around the CBD, the thieves, they don't want to chonchile anything anymore. Keep the crime wardens, let them run the city again. Give them another chance.
Mina into engicabangayo ukuba ngabe uhulumeni ubanika isupport enkulu, uyabasupporta kakhulu ngoba sumphakathi siyayisithole isiphephile ngokuhlala njalo sibabona bekhona eduze kwethu ngaso sonke isikhathi. Akusafani nakuqala kakhulu, akusafani nakuqala ngoba kuqala bowusaba nje ukuzithola uhamba la phakathi kwedorobha ukhululekile. Manje ngokuba khona kwabo siyaye sibone kuphephile, umuntu useyahamba nje ekhululekile nje kahle.
I feel better since amapanyaza akhona because nala iJosi asihamba kamnandi, sihamba free. It's very good. They doing their job. I appreciate them. At least mina ngicabanga ukuthi babagaya ama-job ukuthi baba post somewhere babona ukuthi at least they must keep going on. Babona. Yeah, bona ba right. Iqiniso khona before bafika la iJosi it was very rough. It was rough iJosi. Since bafikile, the crime is very down.